If you're struggling with bloating, digestion issues, or gut discomfort, this quick review might help you. Today I'm sharing an honest 2-minute review of Vivogut Digestive Harmony, a digestive health supplement that's getting attention right now. Vivogut Digestive Harmony is a daily dietary supplement designed to support gut health and digestion. It's not a medicine and doesn't promise instant results. Instead, it focuses on supporting digestive balance over time. Vivogut works by supporting beneficial gut bacteria, helping the digestive system break down food more efficiently, and promoting overall digestive balance. With consistent use, some people notice less bloating and smoother digestion. Vivogut contains ingredients commonly used for digestive support, such as probiotic-supporting compounds, digestive enzymes, and plant-based extracts. These ingredients are meant to support gut comfort, digestion, and regularity, without harsh stimulants. Vivogut may be helpful for adults experiencing occasional digestive discomfort. However, it's not recommended for pregnant women, people with medical digestive conditions, or anyone on prescription medication without consulting a doctor. Most users tolerate Vivogut well. Some may experience mild bloating or gas at the beginning, which usually goes away as the body adjusts. Vivogut is available on the official website and usually comes with a money-back guarantee, which helps reduce risk. Overall, if you're looking for a gentle, daily digestive support supplement with realistic expectations, Vivogut may be worth considering. I've added the official website link in the description below. Make sure you check it out for the latest pricing and guarantee details. Thanks for watching.